How to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, let's go ahead and open any browser in our PC and then search for roblox.com in the search bar. Once you search for it, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the settings icon, tap on settings, and simply tap on account info. So I'll explain why the add phone number option is not available. The first reason could be that your phone number is already linked to a terminated Roblox account, and in this case, you'll need to contact Roblox support to resolve this issue. Another reason is that Roblox may not support phone numbers in your country. If Roblox detects you're in one of those countries, the option won't be available. Lastly, if your account is under 13 years old, you won't see the option to add phone number. However, if you are over 13, you can simply verify your age right over here and then simply unlock this feature. That's it guys, those are the main reason why the add phone number option might be missing. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.